Come sing with me, let's find animals A to Z. A is for ant, B is for bee, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for fox, G is for giraffe, H is for hippo, I is for iguana, J is for jaguar, K is for kangaroo, L is for lion, M is for monkey, N is for newt, O is for owl, P is for penguin, Q is for quail, R is for rabbit, S is for snake, T is for tiger, U is for unicorn, V is for volar, W is for worm, X is for Zephyrs, Y is for yak, Z is for zebra. Now we've sung from A to Z, animals are fun, you see.